for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. The Toyota Corolla Hatchback will make you smile. The performance and shifty driving experience will certainly leave you wanting more. A sharp exterior look and an abundance of technology like the Toyota Safety Sense make this a vehicle worth looking at. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, front-wheel drive. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.